In this video, the Arrma Vorteks with the big send it ramp in the backyard. We're going to be doing big air backflips. I'm going to try to hit some front flips, do some other kind of stunts, stuff like that. Just see how crazy we can get with this truck. So follow along. Oh my gosh. Ow. So as a reminder, this is the Vorteks with the 17mm hex conversion. So I have a video up here for where I did that. And then we put the Proline Badland MX-28's belted tires on it. So far they're doing really, really awesome. There'll be links for those down in the description. That was bad. Oh man. Double backflip. Nice, delayed backflip. I'll do that again. Oh, that was nasty. I meant to do that, right? Yeah, definitely. All right, we're gonna get real crazy now. Can we do like front flip to backflip? Oh my wheel! Oh, what did we have going on there? The whole wheel is gone. Let's see what we've got here. What is it? It looks like the screw just came out. Let's see what we've got here. So you guys know when I did that video, I did a video 6 things to check on your Arrma Vorteks before you ever drive it. This is exactly one of the reasons why. You can see the hex is there. The wheel's actually still tight to the hex. It's the center axle came out of the drive shaft over here. So actually a pretty simple fix. I even confirmed the screw's still in there. So it didn't even go anywhere. It just backed out. I'm gonna make sure that bad boy has some Loctite on it this time. Oh, I shouldn't have hit the brakes. Boom! Man, that was a nasty front flip. Ooh, that's getting too close to the garden shed. Oh my gosh, that was a nasty hit. Oh my gosh, I did a front flip, but that was nasty. Ooh, that almost could have been a 3. That could have almost been a triple. Oh, that was a bad one. Oh, that was bad. Oh, that was nasty. Does it live? It lives. That was a nasty hit though. Oh, that was easily a double. That was crazy. There we go. That's better. There we go. Oh, didn't work. There we go. There we go. Oh, that fell over. Boom, like it's nothing. All the way upside down and back around. Oh, again, something's up. I'm not jumping all on axis now. I wonder what the deal is with that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I was right on the wheels. You're gonna tell me it lives. Does it live, really? Oh, that's not living. Something's broken. I'm crab walking bad. Broke it finally, and it deserved it. What did I break? Control arm, rear control arm got me. All right. So I broke a rear control arm, but let's be honest now. I deserved it. Like, it deserved it. That was 2 battery packs full of just all straight up jumping. And then honestly, when it broke, I mean, come on, we can go play a replay of that if you want to. Straight up from what, 20 plus feet in the air, just straight down on the side of it. Like, that's gonna break some stuff. So, but the good news is I have RPM control arms. So I'm gonna go put them on. Be looking for that in a new video. We'll be showing exactly how to do that, and anything to look out for as you put on the RPM control arms. So hey, I'm gonna go get started on that. While I'm working on that, come over here, check out some other videos and everything else that we have going on, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you for all your support. Goodbye.